I know. Don't say nothing.
Let me see what we working with under this hat.
Oh, damn! God, what the? God, I'm having some Don King issues, damn it.
Alright, welcome back to my channel, y'all. So, we about to get this right. Because, you know, Corona got us all laid up in the house. And people getting lazy. They sitting in front of Netflix and chilling and eating bonbons and getting big. And no, we will not. So I choose to use my day and become very productive. So what I'm doing a ponytail. Y'all just seen me just put some jam in my head. And yes, I'm going to smooth that right on out. Look, y'all, don't laugh at my braiding skills. I can braid, but for some reason, I can't braid my hair. My hair is so fine, but I can braid other people's hair. And my grip game is not like how it used to be when I was younger. But it still looks neat. I think it looks neat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just braid this one little braid all the way down. So basically it's a half cornrow on half of my head, just one single half cornrow, and I'm just gonna braid that all the way down. So Corona got me feeling like I am a captive slave in my house, and Moses is outside talking to my house, let my people go. And this house will not let me go. Y'all, how are y'all feeling? I mean, I really feel right now God is really trying to shift some things. He's taking a veil off our eyes. Are you guys seeing things differently? Are you guys thinking differently? And I'm saying this to say that, you know, sometimes God has to slow us down for us to see him. So back to this hairstyle. What I actually like to do, because I'm natural now, I don't want to put any heat in my hair. This hairstyle you can do with heat, but I choose to just wet it and go from there. I just use a little bit of Eco Styler. So before I even did that, I just want you guys to make sure you wash and condition your hair. I did that the night before, and I moisturized my hair because I'm on my natural hair journey. My ends have the tendency of breaking off, so I make sure I over moisturize my hair, which, you know, my pillowcase ended up getting a little greasy, you know, the night I moisturize it, but that's fine because that lasts for a whole week. Again, I just use a little bit of Eco Styler, some water, and I'm just brushing my hair into a ponytail. I decided to do a side ponytail, just a simple fact because I have that braid on the side. I feel it didn't look good with the ponytail in the center of my hair or on top of my hair or a low ponytail. I was like, okay, let me give it a little edginess, a little shenanigans, little, you know, urban feel, and put the ponytail on the side. What do y'all think? Take the same hairstyle, put the ponytail in the center, do a high ponytail, a low ponytail, a low side ponytail. You work it the way you want to work it. I just worked it this way. Now, one thing I would say about me putting my hair in a ponytail, you know, a lot of people, once they put their hair in a ponytail, they put a satin scarf on or silk scarf on to make sure their hair doesn't wave up. For some reason, I've got this down so pat that I don't need to do that. I can get my hair real straight in my bun or ponytail. That's one thing I will say I love about my hair. I can get that straight. Here I'm just brushing out my little baby hairs that I do have. You know, I'm not trying to recreate any or pull out the long hairs. Whatever little hairs I got, we about to make do. And at the last minute, I decided to twist my hair up. I was gonna braid my hair into the synthetic hair, but I changed my mind. This food, what is she doing? I decided to change my mind and just twist it up and put it in the bun. Now, this is used hair. I didn't go to the beauty supply because, of course, the beauty supply is closed. I didn't order any hair. I just found some leftover hair that I used in the previous video, and one bundle of stretch braiding hair, and I put them together to make one whole bundle. Y'all, you guys do not need to spend a whole lot of money on this hairstyle. If you have some reused hair, you can do that with some curly hair, straight hair, wavy hair, whatever. You can do that. You can achieve this hairstyle with that hair. Don't go out buying anything, because right now we need all our coins, all of our coins, because we don't know what's happening. So we need to save all our money. Here, what I'm doing, I'm pulling out probably an inch of hair on one of the sides, and I'm doing a single braid. And I will braid that all the way down to the bottom, and then I will seal the ends with some nail glue, and then I'll just cut the tip off. See? Nail glue. If you don't have nail glue, you guys can burn the ends. If you choose not to burn the ends, you can actually secure the end with a rubber band. And then here's the easy part. I'm just braiding my hair all the way down, or braiding the synthetic hair all the way down. And try to make your braid as neat as possible. You can do the same braid, and you can fluff out the sides to make the braid look even bigger, which now that I'm looking at it, I should have actually did that. But this is what I decided to do. Look, can I ask y'all a question? Do y'all ever catch a cramp braiding hair? Because I catch the craziest cramps. I used to braid when I was 15, and I stopped because I don't know if I'm braiding too tight, or I was trying to get the braid so tight that my hand would lock up on me. Is it just me? Did I need some water? Was I doing too much? Or is just braiding was not my thing? I think it's all of the above. Me personally, I think it was all the above. So I just seal that end with a rubber band because I don't want to cut the hair. I want to reuse this hair because, you know, we're in a reusing game right now. We don't have extra money right now to be buying hair, because any extra money actually goes to a bill. There's no such thing as extra money. That single braid that I made, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap that around the top of my hair. So to make where the synthetic hair and my hair meets, and then the very end where I actually glued the end, I'm going to stick a bobby pin in that and push that through, and to secure that, it helps secure it, as you can see right there. Voila! Hey you guys, so this is the final look. I just did my little braid to the side. I added little jewels, as you can see. Add little pieces, little jewel pieces to the braid. That little braid that I made, I braided around to cover where this hair and my hair meet, and I just added one little piece of jewel up there. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button, like this video. I'm losing my voice. Send your girl a comment and share this video. Let me know how I'm doing. Other than that, I hope you guys have an amazing quarantine season, and I hope you guys are staying active and safe. See you guys next time. Bye.